Hi there, welcome to my TypeScript Basics course. This course has been created for JavaScript developers who want to level up their abilities and start using TypeScript. In this short course, we're just going to be covering the very basics of TypeScript, which should get you going, and then from there on out, you can choose to take the advanced TypeScript course, which will get into the finer details. And I'll be your guide. My name's Sam. I've got almost 10 years of experience in the software engineering field, and TypeScript has been one of the nicest languages that I've had the fortune of learning. I've been an avid JavaScript developer for many years now, and learning TypeScript has made my code base much more efficient, easier to read, and a lot less buggier. So I'm really keen to teach people the ways of TypeScript because it seems like, as cliche as it sounds, a really good way to level up your JavaScript abilities. For the first half of the course, we're just going to be covering the basics and doing some very simple examples to get you acquainted with TypeScript, so to speak. And in the second half of the course, we're going to be using all of that knowledge to build a very simple example app, which will simulate a bakery store shopfront. In this small app example, we're going to be simulating a very basic checkout flow, and the entire thing is going to be built with TypeScript. None of the code that we're writing is going to be tied to the back-end or the front-end logic. It's going to be totally agnostic, so you can take the skills from this course and then apply them wherever you use JavaScript. This course kind of works as a prerequisite or a foundation for some of the other courses I have to offer, so once you finish this one, you can move on to more advanced ones naturally. And now that we've got the introductions out of the way, I'm going to pass over to Sam from a few weeks ago to give you an introduction as to why you should be using TypeScript.